Hello students, today we are going to start our next chapter in science, that is fiber to fabric. I know you have variety of clothes in your cupboard. Have you ever thought about from where these clothes come, or specifically how these clothes are made? So clothes are made from fabrics and fabrics are made from fiber. Okay, now you might be thinking, what is the means of fiber and how we get fiber? So fiber is a basic component of yarn. When yarn is split, it shows the different thin strand, which is fiber. Many fibers twisted to each other and form yarn. Cloths are made up of different types of fiber like cotton, woolen, silk, linen, rayon, nylon, acrylic. Cotton fibers are used to make shirt, kurta, etc. And it is very suitable in summer season because they absorb sweat. Woolen fiber cloths are used to make shawl, muffler, and they keep us warm and use in winter. A variety in fabrics like cotton, woolen, silk, linen. So, on the basis of sources, fibers are divided into two parts, natural fibers and synthetic fiber. We obtain natural fiber from plants and animals. Plants like cotton, jute, flax, etc. And animals, we get wool from the fleece of sheep, rabbit, yak, or silkworm. We get animal fibers like silk from silkworm. Fibers like rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, these all are synthetic fibers which is artificially prepared, and so it is called artificial fibers or man-made fibers. These fibers are made from chemical substances like petrochemicals, so it is called synthetic fiber, that is rayon, nylon, acrylic, polyester, etc. Now we will see how we get yarn. Yarn is a long continuous group of twisted fiber. It is used to make fabric. It is animal based and plant based yarn also. We get animal based yarn from sheep, goat, etc. and plant based yarn can be obtained from cotton, flax, jute, etc. So we will discuss more about cotton and jute. We obtained plant fiber from cotton plant, jute plant, hemp plant, flax plant. Cotton fibers are obtained from cotton plants. Cotton plants are grown in the field having black soil and it needs warm climate for its growth. It is grown in Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, etc. The fruits of cotton plant are about the size of a lemon. After maturing, the bolls burst open and the seed covered with cotton fibers can be seen. Cotton field look like a field covered with snow. If you see cotton field, it looks like a field covered with snow. Cotton ball is picked from the plant with hands. After that, seeds are separated from fibers by combing. The separation of fibers from cotton seed is called ginning. Ginning also removes impurities like soil, leaves, dust, stones, wooden particles, etc. Fibers are then separated from the seed by combing. Ginning was traditionally done by hand, but these days, well-developed machine makes work easily. After that, the process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. In this process, cotton fibers are drawn out and twisted to form yarn. It is done by many devices. Some devices are hand operated like takli, charkha. Use of charkha was popularized by Mahatma Gandhi as part of independence movement. Spinning of yarn on a large scale is done with the help of spinning machines. After spinning, yarn are used to making fabrics. Cotton fibers are used to make cloths It is also used for filling mattresses, quilts, and pillows. Now we will take jute fiber. Jute fiber is soft and long natural fiber. It is obtained from jute plant. It is cultivated in rainy season. In India, jute is mainly grown in West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. The jute plant is normally harvested when it is at flowering stage. Fibers are obtained from the stems of jute plant. To get fiber, the stem of jute plants are bundled and kept in water. For few days during this time, fibers become loose from the stem and can be easily separated from the plant. There are many uses of jute fibers to prepare the sacks, coarse cloth, hessian cloth, curtain, chair covering, area rugs, etc. So students, first we take cotton rolls. After ginning, it converted into fiber, and after spinning, it converted into yarn. And to get fabrics, two methods we are using, that is knitting and weaving. That's it. Okay. So let's take yarn to fabric. The two main processes are weaving and knitting. Weaving, the fabric is made up of two sets of yarn arranged together. The process of arranging two sets of yarn together to make a fabric is called weaving. Here in figure, weaving shown with two sheets of paper of different color. In similar manner, two sets of yarn are woven to make a fabric. The yarn is much thinner than our paper strip, so weaving of fabric is done on loom. The loom are either hand operated or power operated. Hand operated looms are called hand looms and power operated looms are called power looms. And in knitting, a single yarn is used to make a piece of fabric. Socks and many other clothing items are made of knitted fabrics. Knitting is done by hand or also on machines. Now students, do you know coconut fiber is used to make car mattresses, brush, low cost roofing material, etc. Now we will take a history of clothing material. In ancient time, people are used big leaves of trees and animal skin to cover themselves. After cultivation of cotton as well as flax, people were used for making fabrics. And ancient people, stitching was not known, so people simply wrapped the fabric around different parts of their body. With the invention of the sewing needle, people started stitching fabric to make clothes. But is it amazing that even today, sari, dhoti, lungi or turban is used as an unstitched piece of fabric? So with this, we wrap our chapter. And I hope you understood all the topic in this video very well. Okay.